You know what? You know what's so interesting? Because I really want to put this out there, right? When Tiffany Parker Pinda in the grocery stores, right? Because she went into the grocery store and she wanted to show all this stuff, right? Everybody got offended. Parker told her, it's Nichi. But that is only because she was told, Tina, remember, Patanti Sinas in my grocery stores, remember?
Yes.
And CNN, that's all they showed. And at BBC, that's all they showed. It's like she was just bringing back to light, because there's a lot of my black Americans, I think, as Zimbabwe. Okay?
And maybe to other people it can actually be shocking. But then to this day, if you are to interact with, other people who've been enclosed in that European market or American market, 100%. They think that, Africa is just one country
100%.
And we stay with lions and we chill with monkeys.
She travels a lot. It's like listen, this is not the story. It's like us, how we think of America. I mean, I've lived in Hollywood for so many years.
Yeah.
When you think Hollywood, you think everything is amazing, correct?
Lights, yes.
Guys, there's homelessness in Hollywood.
I mean,
okay?
Yeah.